Hello, this is Little Wild Grass. Today we'll be learning about how to install PyCharm on your Windows 11 operating system. So without further introduction, let's get started. First, open a web browser. Navigate yourself to the PyCharm download page using the link jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. Choose which package you want to download and click on the download button for that respected package and then wait for the download to be finished. In my case, I want to download the PyCharm Community Edition. The PyCharm Community Edition is located a bit lower on the web page, so I will have to scroll down a little bit to access the download button. I can see the download button now, so I will click on the download button and wait for the download to be completed. When the download is completed, open the downloaded file. You may minimize or close your web browser after seeing the PyCharm setup window. Now, on the first page of the PyCharm setup window, click on the Next button. On the second page of the PyCharm setup window, you will see PyCharm asking you for a destination folder. This will automatically be filled out for you, but if you're unsatisfied with it, you can change it by clicking on the Browse button. I'm happy with it, so I will keep it the way it is. Click on the Next button after you are satisfied with the destination folder. Now you will see the installation options. I recommend that you just click on Next. Now you will see a setup page titled Choose Start Menu Folder. Here you will get to name the Start Menu folder. It will automatically be named JetBrains. If you're unhappy with the name, you can change it. I'm happy with it, so I will keep it the way it is. When you're happy with the Start Menu folder name, click on Install button and wait for the installation to be completed. After the installation is completed, click on the Finish button. You should have successfully downloaded PyCharm. To verify if you have successfully installed the PyCharm, click on Start and search PyCharm. If PyCharm app shows up, click on Run as Administrator. You will see a pop-up titled Import PyCharm Settings. If you have a PyCharm setting that you want to import, you can import it by clicking Config or Installation Directory, and next click on the file icon. Then select the file that contains the PyCharm setting you want to import. If you're using Python for the first time and do not have a setting you want to import, click Do Not Import Setting, then click OK. After PyCharm is open, click on New Project. On this page, make sure the base interpreter is set up correctly. The base interpreter should automatically be completed for you if you have already installed Python. If you do not see this option, then that most likely means you have not installed Python and that you will need to install Python. After you are done setting up the base interpreter, click on the Create button. Here you will see a Python project we just created, Python project. And inside we will see an example Python script, main.py. Run the Python script by hitting the green triangle button located upper right of the screen. If you see Hi PyCharm, then congratulations! You have verified that you have successfully installed PyCharm. And that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with a friend. If you're feeling generous, please consider buying me a coffee at patreon.com. The Wild Grass, signing out.